What's up, everyone? Welcome to day 3 or 4 of our Thailand trip. Today is a weird day because I've been separated from Alan. So I'm currently alone in the Airbnb, just getting ready to leave the house. But yeah, we're gonna take a taxi and head to a new part of, I think it's still Bangkok, technically, but I'm not sure. But yeah, let's get going and we'll show you everything that's around there. Still can't get enough of this view here that we have from our Airbnb. Waking up to this in the morning is just super cool. I wish I could jump into the pool from here, but unfortunately it's not deep enough. This is where we're heading to today. It's actually not Bangkok, it's Non Taburi, which I've never been there, so I don't know what that place is like. But the taxi is gonna be around 239 baht. Let's go. Here's our taxi. Yeah. Finally made it into the Esplanade, this place is called, I think. I have to head to the top floor because I'm gonna meet Alan and Bess, and I think Bess's girlfriend is there as well. Look who we found, if it isn't Alan himself. What's up, bro?
What's going?
My guy got a new fit and all.
Come on. It's all Bess's clothes.
So what are we doing today?
Playing bowling.
Yeah?
I already smoked Bess.
What, pool, right?
What the? New mic.
Yeah, I have 3.
Nice. I already smoked Bess in pool. You guys saw the footage? 3-0. What's the score?
What's that?
What's the score?
1-0.
For who?
Me.
For me? Okay, 1-0. Let's keep going. 2-0. He's running away from the truth. This game.
Okay, well, I win.
Wait, there's footage?
Yeah, there is footage.
Okay. Unseen footage.
Yeah, Paul came from home because we split up last night.
Yeah, I already let them know the story. What happened?
He got 5 balls, but there's only 2 left. This is how it's done. Ready?
Bro, what? Okay. Nice shot, man. Let's go. I need to interview you. Why did you just get a gutter ball? Okay. Ooh. That was a nice one. Has to get the spare now. Spare it. Okay. Pretty good. Keep doing it. Nearly spare. Yo, what's up, man? About to get the first massage.
First massage
Since coming here.
This is a 4th day in Thailand, and it's the only. I'm so mad.
The first massage, only like 3 beers. No, I had like 5 or 6.
I had 2 beers.
Yeah.
We're doing Thailand wrong.
Right, Alan. First massage has been done.
I feel like I just
stripped of my chains.
I feel like I just transcended.
Bro, I feel like my legs just got destroyed. I just got rammed. I got hit by a car.
I felt good.
Really?
Yeah. I could go sleep now.
I feel relaxed, but my calves hurt, and that's it. That's the only thing. Does any of your body parts hurt right now?
My neck.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's it.
My friends,
In the world?
my
Everywhere.
한국인 친구s. Look at this
But
fish.
most of the country don't know what this shit is.
That looks insane. Look at that. Is this spicy?
No. Look at
bit of steam coming out of that baby. Ooh. Yeah. It's going to be sour, tingly. Live review, live review.
Oh, you don't need the skin?
I don't eat the skin. But yeah, this is the one I used to order that's in Ireland. Alright, live review, baby.
Yo, bro. Give it up, huh? It's hot?
Alright.
Alright, Mac.
Alright, what's up guys? Currently on the way to Bez's house. Probably gonna chill there, spend the night. Nah, I'll go home. But yo, you can't say that. Probably gonna have some beer, chill, play some Nintendo, and I don't know, just catch up on life.
Like you can call them to like party and after that.
So there's been a technical error. We put the wrong address and we're on our way to God knows where.
The airport.
The airport. We're flying back, baby.
It's Sunday.
Sweating buckets out here. Same with me, to be honest.
Alright, yeah, it's Sunday. Last day in Bangkok before we head over to Pattaya. Today's an action-packed day. Bringing you guys along with us. Hope you enjoyed watching us so far.
Okay, Alan. So what do we have right now? We need to explain to the audience the famous sandwich.
Arguably one of the greatest Thai dishes of all time.
Is it a Thai dish though?
The cheese, ham and cheese, toasty.
A must try if you come to Thailand.
Best fake cheese in Thailand. Oh my
Best
god.
fake cheese, fake ham, fake bread.
So good. You guys have to try this in Thailand. Have to. It's a must. I'm getting eaten.
Yeah, look at that. Look at Alan's back. He's feeling the heat. We tried to get a taxi, but as you can see, this road is jam-packed. So it's kind of difficult. So we're gonna try and cross over and try the different street over here.
Hello.
What do you think, Alan?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love Chinese electric cars.
Yeah.
They have very nice design and build quality. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye. We've made it to the shooting range.
It's here and we go around.
This way?
Yeah.
Alright, bro, you ready to shoot some guns, man?
I'm ready to shoot some guns, baby. Quick interview, Paul. That was my hands shaking.
It's a lot of fun, but a little bit of stress. But the more we do it, the easier it's becoming. So, yeah. Diary entry number, I don't know what it is. Alan's a professional gunman now. I'm tired and sweaty. We're at the train station right now. We got dropped off here by our friend.
Yep.
We're gonna head home, rejuvenate, get a little bit of rest,
And then take you out for dinner.
get dinner and some beer.
Okay, it's not Bison Cup. It's
Bison, what the fuck is that?
It's Carabao Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Can you speak in like Korean?
No. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me, but
Yeah, sorry we didn't film because we're kind of faded right now. We drink a lot of beer.
I'm like 6 deep.
So basically right now we're at a football live viewing event with like a bunch of people in the outside. We got beer, we got food. Beer, food, friends, the whole shebang. So it's kind of hard to focus on filming because we're watching the game. But right now it's Liverpool against Chelsea
Final
in the, what is this? What is it called?
Bison Cup.
The what?
Bison Cup.
Yeah, whatever you said.
I think, I don't know. Anyway, Premier League.
Surely, yes.
Bro, I'm so gone right now.
Yeah, we're gonna try and record, but we'll see what happens. What are you saying, G?
Hey,
Yo, who scored, bro? I think Liverpool is winning, right?
Liverpool winning, bro.
Yeah.
What's the light, the bright light up, bro? I'm like
Cheers,
12 deep right now. Just turn it off, bro. Cheers. We are the champions.
And look at Chelsea fan.
Alan, these people are crazy, man.
Wild, I'm moving here.
Really?
My
With your
new
ice,
favorite.
with your ice cream?
Huh?
You're moving here with your ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we just saw something very creepy. There was a guy, and he was like a statue. But anyway, we're on our way home now. As you can see, Alan is destroyed. We got our food, some goods. You okay?
Oh
bro? What
my
happened?
god.
Why are you so scared?
Did you see that guy?
Yeah, he was.
He was like a goat.
Yo, that's some fucking demon worshiper, bro.
Bro, he was
I
like-
swear. 여러분, 안녕하세요. 지금 아침 7시예요. Are you 8? 같이 집에 가요? 클럽 갔어요? 아, 재미있었어요. 하지만 알리누
그냥 그래.
아주 drunk, you know, look at him.
너무 취했어.
So we gonna.
Yeah,
That was quick.
that was fast.
Yo, Alan, what the fuck you doing, bro? What happened? You okay? What is my guy doing? What? Yeah. 괜찮아? What are you doing?
Imitating the guy.
The goat man?
Yeah, but he was like this.
And he wasn't moving. He wasn't moving. He was bricked. He was stuck, man. Glitch in the matrix, bro.
Bro, that guy was weird. I don't know what the fuck he was on.
Alright. It's a new day. It's a new adventure. Where are we going?
Pattaya.
No excitement. Everyone's dead from drinking last night. We're
Last
headed.
night was fun, but now we gotta wake up and get ready, right? Why is it so cloudy right now?
Is this
Gonna
good?
rain.
No way.
It's probably a lot of dust.
Ah, okay.
Pattaya, here we come.
Good old 7-Eleven.
Welcome.
Bro, out of any place we could have went to, we went 7-Eleven.
I know, man. I wanted
After everything.
I wanted some curry, but best
Curry?
just want to come here.
There's ham and cheese sandwich.
Should I just get that?
Really?
He has spoken.
Okay, ham and cheese,
And maybe some
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 sausages?
drink.
No, just snack. Well, that's in 1 hour we're gonna eat.
You want that one? No?
No.
Or that one?
What is this?
Soy milk.
We go with refreshment drink.
Which water?
Okay,
This?
milk tea.
7 baht. Sounds good to me. This is milk tea? Thai milk tea? I'm gonna get one as well. 2 drinks. Hell yeah. Got the classic ham and cheese. Yo, Alan, you want some?
That's different.
Alan, you want fruit?
Not here.
Not here? Alright. It's the second sandwich of the trip. Got our milk tea, water, laptop. Yo.
Fucking creepy, bro.
Bess, how did you find this place?
Social media.
Social media?
Yeah.
Is it famous?
It's famous for YouTuber come.
Ah. What is it called?
หมึกหอมเคยตื้น
Okay. Can you say that, Alan?
Say it one more time.
หมึกหอมเคยตื้น
Mukong. Mukong.
That's it.
That's it? What are we doing now?
Fishing the squid out of the
Oh, fishing it?
Pick one. Pick one. Pick
That one.
Which one you want to kill?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Goodbye.
Alright, bro, live review.
Try. Alright now.
Good?
Good.
Alright, Alan, now it's your turn.
You're just scared to eat.
No, I'm gonna eat it, but I just want to film you eating it.
Okay.
And you need live review, bro. Dip that in.
Leave wasabi.
I put it. Mm.
Basically,
How is it?
scallop.
Basically scallop.
Scallop?
Harder.
But harder. Because I don't like raw scallops, but I like this.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Okay. Damn,
Fried rice.
that looked good.
Okay. Let's go, Paul.
Which sauce should I try with?
Put
If you don't like fishy, you try this. But if you okay, want to try it,
It's not bad, I promise.
Just very fishy?
No. It's
No.
soy sauce. So put the wasabi in the soy sauce.
or put a wasabi here, a little bit.
A little bit?
It's just spicy though.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Wasabi.
Dip it into the soy sauce.
Maybe that's a bit
A bit too much. A bit too much.
More.
More?
Yes.
Alright.
Go.
Trust me, it's not bad.
Very good.
Yeah, right?
Too
No.
much wasabi though.
Too much wasabi.
Shit is strong, bro. Going to the nose.
So you guys gonna try the ice?
Hell,
Ice?
Me and hell no. Do the vlogs, man, for the people to watch.
You didn't even subscribe to our vlog.
That looks wild.
I will. If you eat it.
That looks wild.
It's okay.
Who's doing live review of eye eating?
Best.
I can do it.
Do you
but
eat it?
Who's gonna do it second?
Oh, hell no, I'm not eating that shit.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Bro,
Hell no.
you can eat it.
Look at him, he's twitching, look.
Oh,
Wait, what the fuck is that? Look at that.
is it
It's the
moving?
nerves, man. It's still alive.
Probably. It's good? Really? You sure? You don't look Like.
The jelly? What is that?
It's alright.
You eating that?
Hell no. Hey, with soy sauce?
First, yeah. First.
First time for me too, actually. Good.
What does it taste like? Describe it. Sweet? Really?
It's really hard.
Oh, really?
And later it turns into jelly.
It kind of looks like jelly a little bit. Like hard jelly or something.
It turns into jelly. It doesn't stop smelling it.
It's no smell anyway.
Yeah.
There is a little bit.
Too fresh, man.
Straight from the tank.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Maybe you have
This is better.
So now you can't
I
say
prefer this.
you can't say you don't eat seafood because you eat seafood now.
Yeah, but I wouldn't eat this like often. You know what I mean?
You wouldn't order it.
One more?
More food. What is this dish? Abalone?
Try.
Right?
Yeah, same.
Never tried it.
Raw?
Yeah.
Oh, I never tried raw one.
Live review.
Ah, hell no.
No good? What's wrong with it? Too fishy?
Nah, it's not fishy. It's just hard.
Hard?
Yeah.
Alright.
So with soy sauce, right?
Up to you. I'll go with the seafood.
Oh, really? It's not hard. This one is soft.
Yeah, I got the hard one.
Ah. Pretty good. It doesn't really have like much flavor.
Yeah, no
Like,
flavor.
just a little bit.
I prefer the Korean abalone.
This is probably the best looking dish out of all of them.
What fish is
nicely
this?
presented.
It's Thai fish.
Thai fish.
Thai fish, you heard it here first?
Can you get this in Bangkok?
Not a sashimi, because it won't get fresh.
Ah, okay.
Straight from the tank.
You heard it here first. Mamba.
Black mamba.
Come here, bro, right there.
That one?
Yeah, this.
The durian.
This no, I said that already. What is it?
This is a durian.
What is it? Durian has spike.
This has spike, but small.
Like big spike.
Yeah.
This small.
Yeah.
It's not durian.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, is it a coconut thing?
No.
How's that a coconut,
You
bro?
had one before. Inside it's yellow.
Inside is yellow?
Yellow.
Durian is yellow.
Oh, with many seeds. Durian has few seeds.
What the fuck?
What is it? What is it?
Wait, so what is it?
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
What?
knew.
Jackfruit?
You knew exactly.
We're in the ghetto, bro.
Nah.
What did you book, bro?
Hell yeah.
This one, it's this one, it's this one. Paul, come here.
Where?
You go.
You have the code, no?
I have the code in.
You know the code?
Which one? Like where is it?
Looks nice. Looks alright.
Not bad. Not
Damn, bro.
pretty good. Where's the fridge?
Damn, bro, look at this couch.
Wait,
That's
you said the
the-
key card is somewhere.
in the middle of the house.
The room. The key card box is in the middle of the house.
Here's the kitchen. Oh, it's so low. The chandelier.
Huh?
At least the toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Oh
Watch out for that.
Shampoo.
Oh, that's nice.
Shampoo.
Actually a nice gesture, you know?
Damn, bro.
First I thought it's like Dyson. Like their house. That.
Nice room. I like this room. And here's the bathroom. Guys, you gonna sleep now? This is mad chill in here though. Look at this.
Yo, I wish we had like LED lights.
Hey! It's crazy because the three of us can just lie down here
Yeah, it's so big.
and just like sleep or just watch TV. It's the ultimate boydom trip.
Actually. I love this, man.
Yeah, this is awesome.
It's a holiday.
Yeah, this is a holiday.
Yeah. Just woke up from a nap.
You can take a nap.
Yeah, Bess took a nap. I took a nap. Alan was just sitting. I don't know what he was doing.
Went to the beach, see what's up.
Bro, what's going on? What happened? Alin. We're in the bush. Yeah, we just left the house and it started pouring rain.
Old school.
Finally, we got there, man. Finally here, bro. Can eat some food, man. Best food in Pattaya, Bess?
Best food.
According to you, right?
Yes.
We will see.
Take my word. The best food.
We will be the judge of that.
I don't even know where we are.
Same. What is that, man?
Stir fry squid with black ink.
You eating that, Alan?
What?
You eating this?
What is it?
Some squid with black ink, bro.
I'm good, bro.
What do you mean? It's like you eat pasta, black pasta.
Yeah.
Same shit. They don't affect the taste, just the color. So it's cooked, by the way.
Bro, the live review, bro. You ready?
Fuck off, you do the live review.
Just eat all of them.
Fuck
Just
off, you do it first.
Why?
Yeah, because I always do it first.
Listening. Smells good. So with rice?
More right.
Oh no.
Squid in and rice in.
Squid in?
In
Yeah.
and rice.
Good, man.
Good. Smile for us. With teeth. Alright, let's go.
It's good, bro. Smile for me.
Show you.
Yeah, nice smile, bro.
What's up, bro?
What up, bro? We made it home.
Made it home.
Bess is sleeping already.
You guys dying.
What the fuck are we doing, bro?
Drove all day.
Yeah. Just watch some TV. What's up, bro?
Good morning.
Yo, what's up?
Day 2 in Pattaya. We've lost one.
Yeah. Bess is still sleeping. I think he's tired from driving yesterday and just maybe he didn't sleep enough the
Yeah.
night before, so
I mean, me and Bess slept at the same time. We got in bed like 4 in the morning. But
Yeah.
he did drive all day, in fairness, so.
yeah.
But yeah, second day in Pattaya. We're at the beach. Gonna go walk around, maybe find some food. Show you guys what the beach in Pattaya looks like. It's the first for us as well, so let's go have a look.
Yeah, the weather today is okay. It's kind of cloudy actually, but I don't think it's gonna rain. But it's still hot because it's Thailand, you know? Still like 30 degrees outside. Yo, we're on the beach now. Made it out the car safely. Didn't get hit by a car. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty nice beach. I think the sand is is wet, right?
No, it's flattened here.
Oh, really?
Oh, by the way,
What?
there's Seoul End Tower. Right. Right there. Can you guys see it?
There's Seoul Tower, as Alan said, one of them.
It's 11 in the morning. The sun's not fully out. I mean, it's pretty cloudy, so let's see how the water feels, Paul. Would you move here?
Hi?
No, yeah, Pattaya or not Pattaya. I wouldn't move to Pattaya.
Maybe if I was older and like I wanted a more like peaceful life by the sea, then maybe Pattaya. But Bangkok?
Would you consider Bangkok?
I don't know, bro. Maybe because I'm not used to it yet. Like we moved to Korea, what, 6 months ago?
Yeah.
I don't know, I already got used to it there, man. Like I feel like normal there, you know?
Yeah, I get it. But
You're
I
right.
feel like Korea is so boring.
Maybe. We're back again in the same restaurant. This time is slightly different.
And this time with Bess.
What do you mean this time with Bess? I mean like same restaurant as last time.
Yeah.
but we got slightly different dishes. We're out again. It's kind of late right now. Don't know what time it is actually. I don't remember.
Live review.
How is it, bro? Where is better, here or the other restaurant? Same?
It's the same, man.
Really?
Yeah, it's really fresh.
All right.
We need chef's opinion.
Not cold, this one.
More cold?
Yeah. All right, chef. Which one's better? Here?
This one? Oh, okay. I need to try it. I think I prefer this cooked dish because this is the cooked version and that's the raw version. Now I have some soup and the garlic prawns.
Morning. It is, I don't even know, day 3 in Pattaya. What a great time. We had a great time, as you can tell by my voice, by my red eyes. We kind of stopped filming at some point. The night got, you know, a bit crazy, a bit out of hand. So now we're headed back to Bangkok. Gonna drive there. We have another day in Bangkok and then we'll be headed out to Vietnam.
Thailand driving pretty chill. Not gonna lie.
Corner suite, eh? Let's see.
Yo, what up? We're in Jod Fairs.
Came to Jod's Fairs. Bought a bunch of things which we forgot to record.
Someone forgot to vlog.
Someone?
Which is both of us. And you just remembered. Yeah, I bought some stuff. I bought some like shorts, pants, t-shirt. Now I think we're gonna go get some food, but there's like so many things out here.
Yeah.
I think it's like worth.
Oh, I think
filming
this is
all
where we ate last time. Right here.
Is it?
Yeah, the beef or the
famous,
pork.
The famous one.
Yeah, the famous one.
Oh, it's packed. It's way too busy in here. Look at that thing. You want to eat this?
It's
No?
too busy out here.
Yeah, I might have to wait a while.
There's another one out front, where I was.
There's so much food out here. As you can see, there's like all kinds of food. You got alcohol. You got everything here, man. Everything your heart desires.
Yeah.
Nah, Kai, I don't want this.
Huh?
Oh, hell no.
You're filming it, so you have to try it now.
No. All the bugs and fucking shit, bro. I ain't eating that.
350, probably the XL, that's what we're going for.
Yeah.
You try here? That's good, I'll eat it.
I don't want seafood though.
Nah, the thing.
Yeah.